You are standing in the woods with the temperature dropping fast and the wind picking up. Your hands are fumbling for a light. You pull out that cheap gadget you saw in a social media ad. You press the button. Nothing happens. You press it again and hear a hollow, metallic click that leads nowhere. That specific frustration is the reality for way too many people buying into the hype of the Blazara lighter. It looks incredibly sleek in those professional high-contrast photos online. The price is low enough to make you click the buy button without a second thought. But this is exactly where the trouble starts. The name itself does not carry any weight or history. It feels like one of those generic brands that exists for 3 months and then vanishes into thin air. Legitimate companies spend decades building a reputation for safety and durability. This one relies on flashy marketing and a price point that acts as clever bait for bargain hunters. When you finally hold the device, the cheapness is immediately obvious. It is mostly composed of lightweight plastic that feels like it might crack if you happen to drop it on a rock. A real outdoor tool should be rugged. It should feel solid and substantial in your palm. This feels more like a disposable toy than a survival tool. If you look at the feedback left on various sites, the red flags are waving everywhere. You will see dozens of 5-star reviews that look suspicious. They all use the same generic, sugary phrases. Then you find the real stories from actual users. People talk about the ignition failing after just 3 or 4 days of light use. They mention the flame flickering out at the slightest hint of a breeze. This huge inconsistency is a classic sign of a questionable operation. Some sellers even list this exact same product under 4 or 5 different names. They do this to stay one step ahead of negative feedback. If one brand name gets flagged as a scam, they just pivot to the next identical listing. It is a shell game designed to confuse the consumer. Then there is the shipping nightmare to consider. You might wait an entire month for a small package to arrive from an overseas warehouse. When it finally gets to your door, the item might be dead on arrival or damaged. Trying to get a refund is like chasing a ghost in a machine. The support forms are often broken or completely ignored by the seller. Legitimate businesses want to help you because they want you to come back next year. These sellers just want your initial payment. It is a massive gamble with your hard-earned money and your personal safety. If you are out camping or hiking, a working lighter is a necessity for warmth and cooking. It is not something you should leave to chance just to save a few dollars. The materials are subpar. The internal mechanism is flimsy and prone to misfires. The customer service is non-existent. When you weigh that cheap price against the very high risk of total failure, the math just does not add up for a smart buyer. You are much better off buying a brand you actually recognize from a retail store you trust. Real peace of mind is worth more than a tiny discount on a piece of plastic that will likely fail when the stakes are high. Avoid the headache and stick to the gear that actually performs when the pressure is on.